with himself, with the system. I have told you just the parents who have come. The first factor is the psychological and physiological changes. Second is the transition from the CCE based evaluation to the 11th class evaluation, old system, where in class 11 final examination the entire syllabus will come, whereas up to 10th they have known that for 6 months there is an examination, this 6 months will not come in this 6 months. And then again they study second term and they are declared. And they have got so many other factors which support them. In 11th class they have to have, they have to work very hard. They have to work hard. So these are two big things. Fourth thing I will tell you, most of the children in 11th class, I have seen, they are attending coaching classes. So there is a double pressure. And when we just made an assessment of this, we learned that children have randomly selected coaching classes, not because of their suitability. They have rendered because the name is very good, they give very good results, so I should also get into that. So what is happening? Coaching classes, I tell you the other thing of this coaching classes. So they go to the coaching classes, they study here also. And then they go to the coaching classes, that coaching classes, they are not taught the same. That is not in synchronization with what we teach here. So we have taught some other chapters, they teach some other chapters. We tell them to do homework, they do not do that homework. I don't know what they are doing for the coaching classes now. So a child, selection of a coaching class for a child, it's a good, the parents can look after the needs of the child. But selecting a correct coaching class, at least if you have selected a coaching class, it's good. But then you have to convince, either you convince us or the coaching class people that kindly see that whatever is taught at the school gets synchronized with what they teach. Or let us know if they are doing like this, we will try to do that. We will help it. This is one of the fourth factors which I have noticed. A child is undergoing a lot of stress because of this also. And I should appreciate our management, our respected chairperson Srimati Jyoti Rathore and Jay sir. They are the excellent people in the management. You will be surprised. When we were making the timetable, we were told that kindly see, if they are attending the coaching classes, the school timings may kindly be adjusted accordingly. We have done that. It is not done in any of the schools, I am telling you. And even then when we call them that please stay back up to 3:15, sometimes they leave at 1:30 because they have got coaching classes after 1:30. It takes about 1 hour for them to reach, get settled, and reach to coaching classes. Our school timings, if I tell you, are basically welcome sir. We are following the serious practice. So seriously, the school timings are for 6 hours and 10 minutes. So if 8:30 we start accordingly, every child in class has to stay up to 3:15 essentially. But we have permitted them on 2 or 3 days to leave at 1:30. Because we made a timetable in such a way that there is no loss of studies of these main subjects. Last period we have kept games and all those things, work experience games and other things, and we permitted them to do. So what I was telling to the parents who have joined, that a child of class 11, whether it is a he or she, is subjected to a lot of pressure. First pressure is that sudden change from, I should say, from they are in the adolescent age, but they are not 12 or 13, they have grown up. That physiological changes and this psychological change is the first factor which we have got a counselor for that. I congratulate her. I got her report of 11th class. He is our Richa Nigam. He is a counselor. She has been, her services are being utilized to understand what type of problems children are having. So she has given a report to us for every child. I think you should interact with her also. After our teachers have interacted with you, you should interact with her, try to know, because we have sorted out some children who have got certain issues. So it is good to know those issues and solve them. Second thing which I was telling you why a child of 11th class is under stress. Because there is a transition from the middle secondary to senior secondary. Evaluation system is this. So there is a lot of workload. Examination pattern is changed. He will not get the relief. He, in class 11, the entire syllabus, 100% will be asked to him, will be in the annual examination. Half yearly, 50%, 60%. Annual examination, 100%. Whereas they are under CCE, they know the system that 50% will be done during the first 6 months, and the rest 50% will be during 6 months, and this portion will not be asked in this examination. They know that, but that is changed. Third factor which I was telling for those parents who just now, that the child, the subject science has been now, it has been taught up to class 10 as an integrated, some portions of physics, some chemistry. Now we are having science stream only, so I am talking about the 11th science. Similarly for other subjects also, social science also gets converted into single subject. So the child is having again that he knew that there are 2-3 chapters of physics. Now he has got about 200 pages in NCERT book. If you see that book, really, I really sympathize with them. Unless we know the techniques of handling those chapters. This is the third factor. Fourth factor, every parent would like his child to go for a coaching class. The selection of coaching classes is not as per, is not helping a child. I'll tell you why. We teach something, coaching classes teach something. Because there are at least 4 to 5, 6 good welcome sir. Welcome. There are 5, 6 welcome sir, please come. There are 4 or 5 coaching classes, and every coaching class has got its own style, and that does not, the way they cover their syllabus in coaching class does not give a relief to the child, because we do something else, they do something else, child doesn't know to which I should give more importance. So I'll request all of you, please see that the child, if he is attending the coaching classes for next higher classes, for next these competitive exam, he has to have this welcome. He has to have this system. He has to pass class 12, and class 12 syllabus is very, very important. And if you just check the syllabus of competitive exam with the class 12 CBSE, it is the same. But what is happening? We are teaching some chapter, they are teaching some chapter. So when I have talked to the children, so they are saying, so I don't know, we should recommend some coaching classes. We cannot recommend some coaching classes. Unless we have got extremely talented teachers here, either parents have to rely upon us, that we have given children to you, please look after them. Or then, if you feel that you want your child to top in the competitive exam, you are running some coaching classes, kindly at least see that coaching classes have a word with them. If they are teaching something else, they cannot change. We are teaching something else because CBSE is told, and that does not synchronize, match, child will have results. So you have to think about this thing. After I have addressed you, dear parents, whenever we invite you to the PTA meeting, we invite you to, we feel that both of us, yourself on this side and we on this side, are jointly responsible for the welfare of the child. So we never call you to tell that the child does this thing, unless it becomes compulsive on certain occasions. But we always would like you to interact with us, any method you, through emails, through your phones you have got, through SMSs we have started, through the communication, through the book, through your child. We are always at your services. Now, what are we going to do today? I have just spoken. And I thank all of you that you have spared time. On behalf of management, I again thank all of you. Our teachers are going to address to you. They will do the same exercise with the children also, because ultimately children should know. But they will let you know how the subjects are required to be attended to by you and as well as the children. So in case you have any query about any subject, I guess you can talk to them whenever you are going to meet them. And if you feel we can have a short question of time, we can reply to that. So thank you very much. I request Richa ma'am, please take.